Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss chapter 6 book back detail answer, that is 5 marks. First question, write the specification of an algorithm hypotenuse whose inputs are the length of the two shorter sides of a triangle, right angled triangle, and the output is the length of the third side. So we have to write the specification. Specification first we have to give the top title, okay, that is algorithm name. And within parenthesis we have to give the inputs. Then write the inputs and outputs. It is input property, output property, the input-output relation. So first hypotenuse, name of the algorithm is hypotenuse, parenthesis A and B are the two sides. A, B kudukanum. Next inputs, double dash inputs, colon, A, B are the two inputs. So A, B can be real or integer. Next output relation, input-output relation, that is double dash outputs. C is real or integer number such that C square can be know the formula for finding the right angle triangle. C square is equal to A square plus B square, or we can also write C is equal to root of A square plus B square. So C square is equal to A square plus B square, and C should be greater than A and B. Okay. So ரெண்டையும் காட்டிலும் greater-ஆ இருக்கணும். இங்க அதனால தான் வந்து அவங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க length of the two shorter sides. That is one of the property of the hypotenuse, that is right angle triangle. The hypotenuse should be the greater side-ஆ இருக்கணும். அதனால தான் இந்த property நம்ம எழுதணும். So C should be greater than A and B. Suppose you want to solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 by an algorithm. Quadratic equation oda algorithm avangale kuduttaanga. First name of the algorithm vandu quadratic solve A, B, C are the three inputs. Inputs enna, input property enna, input output relationship enna அப்படின்றத நம்ம எழுதணும். இங்க தான் வந்து question mark கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we have to fill up these details. They also gave the formula. So suitable specification we have to write by using the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So inputs la நம்ம என்ன எழுதணும், 3 inputs we need இல்லையா. So a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. This is one of the input property. A வந்து equal to 0 னா அப்ப நம்ம அதை வந்து quadratic equation சொல்ல முடியாது, because quadratic equation should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c இல்லையா. இப்போ a 0 னா அப்ப அது quadratic equation வராது. So one of the input property is a not equal to 0. Okay. Next output, x1 x2 are real numbers. This equation will give the two real roots இல்லையா. So x1 and x2. So x1 is equal to, you know the formula very well, minus b plus போடணும். இங்க x2 க்கு minus b minus போடணும். That is the difference. Exchange the content given two classes marked A and B. Glass A is full of apple drink, B is full of grape drink. For exchanging the content of glasses A and B, represent the state by suitable variables and write the specification of the algorithm. Okay va? So let us assume, first as we are assuming that A is having apple drink. So because we should represent by the suitable variables. So A is apple drink, B represents grape drink, and we have one more thing, that is t. T is empty, that is equal to 0. We are making use of the third tumbler only, or third variable only we are going to interchange. Adanaல we are introducing one variable t. Initially it is empty, okay. So the output should be A equal to grape இருக்கணும், B should be apple. அப்படியே interchange ஆயிருக்கணும். So exchange of A, B, and the inputs is A, B, T are integers, so where T is equal to 0. We are introducing one more variable T, that is equal to 0. இதை வச்சு தான் we are going to exchange. So output வந்து T colon equal to A colon equal to B, and B colon equal to T. என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, A வந்து assignment statement உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். A வந்து value on the right side, T is the variable னா, A ஓட value should be transferred to or stored in the variable T. அப்போ A is transferred to T. Next B is transferred to A. So இப்போ A ல grape drink வந்தாச்சு, and then T ல apple drink இருக்குல்லையா, so that is transferred to B. Okay. So this is assignment, so you have to put colon equal to, this is very important, colon equal to. So additional questions also I have given. What are the basic building block to construct an algorithm? Data, variables, control flow, and functions. What is control flow statements? Name the three control flow. The order of execution of statement is known as the control flow. How it is executed, whether one by one like based on a condition or like that. Okay, so the order of execution of statement is known as the control flow. We have three control flow statements: sequential control flow, alternative control flow, and iterative control flow. Algorithmic designing techniques. We have four designing techniques. One is specification, abstraction, composition, and then decomposition. Write the specification of algorithm to find the square root of a number. இதெல்லாம் book உள்ளார உள்ளது. So இதையும் படிச்சுக்கோங்க. These are also very important. Square root is the name of the algorithm. Input வந்து ஒரே variable தான் we are passing. That is the parameter. Inputs, n is a real number, n greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so because we cannot find the square root of a negative number, another in the property we have to specify. And output is y is a real number such that y square is equal to n. Specification of algorithm to compute the quotient and remainder after dividing an integer a by another integer b. So divide a, b are the two numbers. A is an integer and b is not equal to 0. This input property enna appadina b vandu a vida less than irundha we can divide. So we are giving b not equal to 0. 0 valle divide panna mudiyadhu. Okay va? So b not equal to 0 because we cannot divide a number by 0. Next output is input output relation. Enna appadina a equal to q quotient. Q represents quotient, r represents the remainder. Quotient divisor all multiply panni remainder oda add பண்ணும்போது we will get the first number. Okay, so that is why we have to write this property, and the remainder should be definitely less than b இருக்கணும் and it can be equal to 0. What are the values of variable m and n after the assignments in line 1 and line 3? So இங்க four set of assignment statements கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, and first statement m n 2,5 and they have given the comment கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. This is comment, double dash na comment, m and n oda value enna. Okay, then we have the assignment statement m comma n is equal to m plus 3 n minus 1, and again they have given the comment. So what is the value after this assignment? M and n oda value enna அப்படின்றாங்க. ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படியே எழுதிட்டு நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், m ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்னால we get the value of m as 2 and n is equal to 5. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ரெண்டு வேல்யூ நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. m is 2, n is equal to 5. So we have to fill up. So m comma n is equal to 2 comma 5. Next again you have one more assignment statement. M comma n is equal to m plus 3 n minus 1. இப்போ m is equal to 2 plus 3 substitute பண்ணுங்க. mல nலையும் substitute பண்ணிங்கன்னா m ஓட value 5 ன்னு வரும், n ஓட value 4. So in the last statement, last commentல we have to write the values of those m and n. So m is 5, n is equal to 4. So இதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதெல்லாம் you can write by the side and you can copy this and fill up the question marks. Okay, the values with the question marks. So okay, in the next video we will discuss about the 7th chapter.